Hello and welcome. We have a very popular person who's always and always vouching for MSMEs, Dr. G. Ramesh Kumar.
Thank you.
Let us know what are we doing in this event today for future leaders.
The theme is Connect Future Ready Leaders in the Vikasit Bharat. And this particular is the fourth season. And we have witnessed a good crowd of turnout rather of around more than 200 plus MSMEs and corporate leaders. And I think what we are gearing up is preparing and creating, understanding the reality of what are the prerequisites in terms of reaching those the milestone of 2047 developed economy India being in the Vikasit Bharat. And I think there have been good number of speakers. I'm told there are 100 plus speakers who are going to speak on various subjects, especially on AI, which is the next big thing in the universe. And of course, subjects from the HR, marketing, finance, capital markets, and so on and so forth. So it's a very good excitement I can see, and I wish the entire team great success.
So, any words of wisdom to all the MSME leaders and business houses?
India is growing. That is all because of MSMEs, because they are the backbone of the economy, and they should not lose their heart at any point in time, and we should reach out to MSME Bharat Manch and companies like us who could support them, extend all the heart and mind to scale up their business. So that's my thought of wisdom for them.
So they say success and failure are all different shades of coins which are there, but at the same time, when it comes to leaders and when it comes to future leaders, there's youth segment and Gen Zs which are making it very popular with new businesses. What is it that you would want to say to them?
We always talk about, everybody, all the employment generation for all the people around. So people, they should start thinking to come as a job giver and not a job seeker. And I think that's something which they should learn and make themselves self-sufficient so that they can grow up and give a lot of employment to others, who actually needs it because of lack of finance and money in that, for that matter. Thank you.
So thank you so much
Thank
to
you.
have you
Thank
here.
you.
Thanks.